Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back to another device mod development stream. I'm just trying to get my windows correct here. Hold up, there we go. We're all good, my layout is all good. Welcome guys to the live stream. We're doing some more device mod development today, as you can see. And yeah, today's going to be interesting. Now, what you see in front of you right now, I'm going to show you guys in a second here right now. Welcome everybody, I see you in the chat. Welcome Gaming Georgia for the, sponsor. He's got the sponsor, he's got the derpy crayfish next to him. The first ever sponsor for this channel. That's pretty cool. But yeah, welcome. But yeah, what you see in front of you, we're going to take a look at it in a second because I've been working on the new and improved text area, which is actually really cool. And yeah, I'm going to show you that. But what we're actually going to be doing in this live stream today is we're not working on the actual mod. What we're going to do is we're actually going to develop an app. Now, this might be a little bit weird, I don't know. But what we're going to be doing is developing an app basically which has like wireless lights. And I kind of just want to do this as like an example of, what you can do with this whole entire API, because I haven't really shown off what it can really do. I mean, we've got a couple of apps like Pixel Painter, but I want to show more. I want to show more because it is honestly, like, you can do so much with this. Like, you can just do anything. You can do anything that you actually want. So we're going to be creating this kind of wireless app, or wireless lights app that controls lights to turn them on and off inside of your house. How cool does that sound? So that is what we're going to be doing today. So if you guys are excited for this live stream, make sure you guys go ahead, snap that like button when it's snapped right in half. You guys know what to do. As well, make sure you get those post notifications on so you get notified when these live streams actually start up. And if you are a regular, you know what to do right now. But if you're not, if you guys want to get a shout out in this live stream today, go over to my Twitter profile. Link is in the description below. Click on that and then retweet my latest tweet that says retweet for a shout out. Then I'll be shouting your name out at the end of the live stream. How cool does that sound? How cool does that sound? So if you want to get a shout out, go do that retweet on my profile and follow me while you're over there as well. Follow me while you're over there because I post updates, I post tons of things that maybe you're interested in hearing and seeing about. I post pictures, it's everything as well. And as well, if you guys want to become a part of the Discord Device API Developers Discord server, there's a link, an invite link in the description below. So this is talking about everything about the Device API, basically what we work on in these live streams. And as well, if you're developing your own apps, we've got channels for those. And then we've also just got some kind of off-topic stuff. You can do like memes or anything like that as well. So it's really cool. Join that if you want to. Oh god, yeah, welcome everybody, welcome. I'm actually hungry. Guys. So, if you guys, I don't know, I'm thinking about ordering pizza during this live stream. Should I do that? Should I just do that? Like, no flips given, just order a pizza during the live stream. Be like, hey, I'm getting a pizza. I'm getting a pizza during the live stream. Should I do that? People like extra cheese. Extra cheese on that pizza. Hi, I'm a huge fan. Welcome, dude. Welcome to the live stream. Call the app Light Switch. That's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. I'll be in the stream, but I'll be in and out as I do ICT work. That's all good, dude. All good, dude. Make sure you just, just play it in the background. Listen to my beautiful voice. I don't know. I don't know what you guys think. Did I buy the Pixel 2? I bought the Pixel 2 XL. I've actually got the case already arrived. Yeah, they release the they send out the case before they actually send out the phone. So now, I've got this thing teasing me. It's kind of I'm like, where's my phone at? Where's my phone at? Where is the tweet? It's the latest one. It's the latest one. Let me check it. Let me check it right now. It should be the latest one. Unless YouTube didn't send it out, then that's not my problem. Okay, YouTube didn't send out the notification. Slight problem. I'll let you guys know when it goes up, because sometimes it's delayed, but then sometimes it might actually, show up. I'll let you guys know when it actually does come up. Whew. People said, I don't know what the delay is like. Flex on us. All right, sorry guys, flexing on you real quickly. If you order pizza, you must get barbecue chicken. Why must I get that one? Why? I'm a real like barbecue meat lovers type person. I really like that. But yes, what I'm going to show you guys right now before we actually start is this. So let me just turn this back on. So this is like the new and improved text area. Now I am currently working on fixing a bug right here, which we might actually be able to fix up right at the start of this live stream, because I don't think it's a difficult one to fix. But you know, this is just this is just kind of like a little test application I've built. Nothing too special. But as you can see here, basically we've got like a cursor now, so you can insert anywhere that you want, right? So I don't know, you could write, hello, my name is Crayfish, whoopsie, Crayfish, and like, oh no, whoopsie, I was supposed to put in Mr. Crayfish. Is that like, okay, there's a weird input error. It wasn't just me. Why was that doing that? Hold up. Oh, okay, wait, hold up. What the flip? Okay, that's weird. That is, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Hold on, let's just close that off. If we do it now, it might be, yeah, work proper now. Alright. Oh, good. So basically, I've implemented word wrapping. So if I go ahead, click on this, as you can see, it wraps the words and actually fits inside of the text area. And I can turn that off as well. Oh, hold up. Turn that off so I can switch between the two as well, which is really cool. And the reason why you might want to have like these single line ones is, let's say you just like, you're creating like a, for example, someone's creating like an IDE in Minecraft. So this is going to be good for that. And sometimes, you know, you want it all to be on like just one line anyway. There's certain things that are like good. What is your guys' favorite pizza topping? Let me know in the chat right now. A lot of people say pineapple pizza. Pineapple pizza. But yeah, I definitely need something. I need something to eat or I'm gonna die. Not really, but oh, probably a little bit dehydrated as well, but I'm drinking water. Ugh. Get pizza with french fries, eggs, tomato, pineapple, fish, cheese, crackers, orange. What the? No. No. You, my friend, are crazy. Mushroom and ham? That doesn't sound too bad. But yeah, basically I can turn this. You might be wondering what these things at the end there. It's basically a new line character, but I've made it so it renders invisible. It's just when your debug mode is on here, it actually shows it up. But yeah, that's cool. Been counting the days. Barbecue chicken pizza, bro. Easy. Pepperoni. Your favorite pizza? Tuna pizza? What the f... You guys need to rethink your life. You guys need to rethink your life. Or that one person needs to rethink their life. Tuna, what the... That's not right. That is not right. Cheese mania. Get a crayfish pizza? Oh my god. That'd be cruel against my kind. That'd be cruel against my kind. I can't do that. I can't do that. Alright, so yeah, this is the new improved text area. And as well, like this is like kind of difficult to program, but like, for example, right. How can I show it off? So if I do that, it should be right there. It's gonna split right there. Ah, it didn't go to the next line. Huh. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. But I just want to quickly fix up a bug here, because pretty much if I go into this right, and then at the end here I press enter. Oh no, it worked. Why did that work? Wait, what the heck's that doing? Why is that doing that? Hold up. Huh. When I insert the text, what the? Why is that moving? Insert a cursor. It's something to do with this here. 100%. 100%. Probably something to do with this here. So if I do that now, yeah, it seems to be working. I think it's just when it gets to here. Oh no, it works. Okay. Alright, it's cool. And like, yeah, you can tell it's actually like proper wrapping because as you can see I'm removing it from here and it's fixing up the previous line as well. That was pretty hard to implement. I tell you right now. I've been doing this, but it's a lot better now, this whole text area, because you guys knew before, if you've played around with the mod, you would have known that the text area was like completely horrible. It was completely horrible. It was like, especially if you're writing like a paragraph and you wanted to edit something further up, that is annoying. And as well, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show you this. Maybe I might be able to. Yeah, I will be able to. There's also scrolling now. How cool is that? How cool is that, guys? So you can actually like... Yeah, there's a slight bug I'm going to fix up, but... Yeah, you get to scroll now, which is really, really, really cool. What was that bug? Yeah, there's a couple of bugs I still got to fix up because I was changing things around internally on it. But yeah, now that you can actually scroll, look, it's dope. It is dope. Is this basically Microsoft Word in Minecraft Word? Oh god, no. Please, no. You should change the title to simple but still not working on application. Hey! I'm gonna get to it. Don't rush me. Someone wrote some programming here. If Mr. Crayfish is hungry, create a variable called pizza and make it equal to pizza, French fries, egg, tomato, pineapple, fish, cheese, crackers, orange, end the line, and then food equals order food pizza, food.eat, else die. Oh god. Okay, yeah, I get you there. Watching Mr. Crayfish while animating on a Sunday, the best. Damn, that's awesome, dude. Yeah, hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Have you guys enjoying your weekend so far? What have you guys been up to? What have you guys been up to on your weekend? Last night, I was gonna live stream last night, but I actually went to a party last night. Like, I mean, I didn't drink or anything like that. I just kind of went to a party with friends because they were all going there. I was like, honestly, like, I don't know. I was just like, you know, I'm just gonna go to a party. I'm just gonna go to a party and just hang with friends and talk to them and see what everybody's up to, because it's not often that, you know, see all like my friends see all my friends in one place. Mainly only parties, birthday parties, or just, you know, could be like an organized event, but anything like that. I don't want to go to school. Yeah, no, please don't. I went to watch Thor Ragnarok yesterday. Whenever I read Ragnarok, I'm just like Ark Survival. Thor Ragnarok. Oh, what the is Thor in Ark Survival? What the flip? Okay. We have Father's Day today here in Finland. Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. When is Father's Day in Australia? I don't know. There's a weird glitch here. Hold up. Huh. I think I know why. Yeah, alright. Okay, we're not going to work on this because I said, you know, this is not what we're doing in this live stream today, but hopefully, guys, gives that kind of, you know, a bit of a tease of the new text area that I'm working on. I've been putting a lot of effort into it. Let me just turn off this, and I'm gonna show you guys something interesting. This is the text area component. Have a look at this. I mean, there's some commented out stuff, but don't worry. That is the text area component, my friends. 723 lines long. It is insane. It is insane how much code has just gone into this one component, and that's why, like, this mod's taken a very long time to be complete, because, you know, a lot of the stuff, you know, takes a while to actually create, and this is just like one minuscule part of the mod, you know, and like in like the text area is exactly equal to, you know, a button, like in terms of this part of the mod, but it could be that button or text area specifically has a lot more lines of code than a button, but they're just components, and you use them to, you know, create your applications. What we're gonna do is stop that. We're gonna go ahead, open recent device API tutorial. Do we even create our own create another project? Create another project. That might be a good idea. All right, give me 2 seconds here. I'm just gonna get everything set up so I can actually start creating this awesome application, which is going to be, if you weren't here already, we are creating an application which is going to allow you to turn lights on and off using an application from a laptop. So let's go, let's just do let's go in here. Let's do new, create local path. Let's create a new folder. Device. Device mod applications, and then let's call this, we'll call this, someone said light switch. I think is a cool idea. Light switch. I like the name of that. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the forge files in there. Replace. And then go file, open, refresh. And let's just quickly build this window. Alright, so this is going to take a little bit to set up because it needs to load everything in. But I'll quickly look at the chat while this is actually loading. Let's have a look. Cray soft word. Oh god. I've been sleeping on Friday, had 2 hours of wrestling practice and a birthday party to go to right after. And this annoying kid on my team made our coach give us more conditioning than usual. It's kind of like someone that's like, oh, do you remember, are you going to be marking our homework that you gave us on Friday? Reminding the teacher about homework. Oh god. In the next stream, make a game? Nah. I'm not going to be doing that. Like, seriously, like, developing a game in this is not any more easier than developing a game normally. It's going to take, like, months to develop, like, a game. Ragnarok is a Viking version of the end of the world. No, it's Ark Survival! Hey Cray, how can I turn the camera in your model creator? You simply just click and drag with your mouse. Or right click, I think. I think it's right click. Or it's control and click and drag. But I can skip forward on the live stream. No, you can't. Alright, I think it's all good. Alright, and then what we need to do, you guys can't see this over here, but we're just going to quickly build the workspace. And then we're going to add in the API, because right now this is just a Forge workspace, nothing special about it. We've actually got to add in the API. I don't want to build anything yet. Alright, just wait for this to load. Wait for this to finish. It should be done very, very soon. Alright, there we go. Cool. So let's go ahead and delete that. Delete that. Go new package com.mrcrayfish.light switch. Alright. And I'm gonna go Mr. Crayfish light. Let's call it light switch. I feel like that should be like light switch. I don't know. Just me. Light switch. Or is it spelling rename to light ship? Well, technically it's 2 words, so maybe refactor rename. Light switch. And then we're gonna do a bunch of things. At mod. New Java class reference. Public static final string. Can't type for crap. String mod ID equals light switch. Public static final string mod light. Call it light switch app. Public static final string mod version. Make that equal 1.0.1. Just because we don't know if we're going to be developing this in the future. Mr. Crayfish, do you know that the creator of the Miner just added compatibility with custom JSON models and he advertised your model creator? Okay, well, who's Miner? I don't know who that is. I don't know what I don't know the actual program. Let's have a look. Miner. Okay, so like create animations. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I never heard of it before. Oh wow, that's actually crazy. It looks pretty cool. Is that like a free program? Oh wow, you can create some really cool renders. I think, oh, that's probably how like everybody creates them. I never knew how to like create 3D renders, and I think that's how everybody does them. Me and just out of touch with all the programs that YouTubers use to create thumbnails. To the millions of people that use Miner, does he have like social media? Forums? Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't know. Miner. Alright, here we go. Found the post, I think. Miner pre-release. Dang, there we go. Oh yeah, so it's linked to my creator and also Cubic Studio, which is pretty cool. That's cool. Yeah, nah. Cool that he posted that about it. Alright. Alright, so we got that. We got a couple more things we need to do. Public, static, final, string, mod, depends, equals, require, after, CDM, at 0.0 or 0.2.0, comma, boom. And then we also need, I think that's it actually. ID equals reference, mod ID, name equals mod version, and then dependencies equals reference dot mod depends. I think that's everything. And then we need to go ahead and as well in our mod ID info here, light switch. It's gonna be a lit. It's gonna be lit when we actually finish this mod. Literally, it's gonna be lit because we're gonna be able to light up mods. Light up, control lights with an app. Light switch app. Allows you to remotely whatever version 0.0.1 without the cache, and Mr. Crayfish, and boom. Get rid of you, and we're going to do parent is CDM there. We haven't added the libs in yet. That's one thing we've got to do. New directory, libs, and let's go ahead and let's drag in or copy the device API library. And then boom, add as library, boom, easy, done. Public void pre-init. And it's going to be event handler, FML pre-initialization event, boom, boom, boom. Alright, so one thing we're going to be adding in is, well, we've got a couple of things. We're going to be adding in we're going to have an app package. We're going to have a, whoops, not new class, new package. We're going to have a block. What else do we need? Yeah, I'll figure that out soon. Application, light switch. Yeah, I'll make it like that. Extends application. Alright. What kind of app you working on? So basically we're creating an app which allows us to remotely turn lights on and off using an application, because I want to show like the power of this API and what you can do with it. Like, I've been working on the API, but I haven't been showing you what you can actually do with it. So we're working on an app, basically an app which allows you to what it's going to do is like scan the area for a certain type of light, which is kind of like a wireless light, and then it'll come up in a list and you'll be able to turn it on and off. Pretty cool. Sounds cool. Hope you guys are excited for it. We're also going to need a package here called new package. Just call it new task. New Java class task turn task light task power extends task and private power light. Alright, cool. Do you still use your own model creator? Yeah, I still use it. Of course. I used it just recently to create the printer. Will this app be built into the mod, or will it be more of a template for the API? I'll probably like release it type thing. Like, it's not going to be in the actual mod, but it's going to be, because like this is what you do with the device API, develop add-ons for the mod. So this will be an add-on. You don't have to install it, but you can if you want to, so you can get an extra app on your laptop. But it's also going to be an example for people as well that are using the device API, how to do things. That's why I really want like one thing, like we need more examples for developers so they know what to do, and I feel like this is a good way to do it. And it kind of, you know, when I actually, and it helps me as well, because if I develop an app with the API right, I understand like, okay, maybe that needs changing around, because the only way I can figure out if it's good or a bad kind of API design, I guess, is if I actually use it myself. So I guess this is a good way as well for me. We want to release the dev version. You want this one? It's got nothing in it, it just comes up with your mod in the list. What did I do there? Hold up. There we go. Alright, so cool. I'm like going like super duper ahead. Block pause. Pause. I'm like, I haven't even added in anything yet, and I'm already like private. Private long pause, this dot pause equals pause dot too long. Do it like that, whatever. And this is like one really thing I hate about tasks, is you have to do like this. You have to have a constructor. I want a different way to register these, because I don't want to have the ID inside of here. I feel like it should be registered externally. Why does the stream have to be 10 PM for me? I'm sorry, dude. Are you from like the east coast of Australia? Because that feels like where it is 10 PM at the moment. When we release the mod roughly? I don't know. I mean like the actual device mod, I don't know when. It's a lot of, you know, work in progress. Maybe there might be the full version released on Christmas Day, who knows? Who knows, if I keep working on this straight, boom, 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 every single day, then it might get out by then. And hopefully I have some applications to go along with it as well. Do you mean redstone torches or redstone lamps, or am I adding in a light bulb? I'm going to add in a light bulb. It's going to be a custom block. That's why I created a block package over here, because I'm going to add in an actual block. Let's name this to tag, because I don't like the length of that. Tag. Alright, cool. And then, so we've done that. So tag.set long pause block pos equals tag dot get, whoopsie no, sorry, block pos from long tag dot get long pos, and then we need to do world I block state equals world dot get block state at pos, and then we have to do if state, can't do this yet, if true, to do add block. Alright, that's that for now. Can't really do any further on that until we start adding in the block. So we got the application going, we got light switch. I might pop this in. Actually, just do FML pre-initialization. Oh, we still need the actual, whoopsie. We still need pre in it, sorry. Then this one's going to be init. And then I'm going to do new resource location. Application light switch dot class. So I registered that. Someone at my door. Alright, I got the right account. I am here. What's going on? Oh, hey Alex, how you doing? You haven't been in the live stream for a while. Yeah, we're creating like a simple application that's just gonna, turn lights on and off using the application. I'm not sure if I mentioned that to you. I think I did. You probably saw it in the Discord chat, but I'm like, create an application which allows you to turn lights on and off with an app. So if no one was gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. So I'm doing it right now. I'm getting it done in this live stream today because it's quite a simple application. It's quite a simple application, but it's cool though. It's cool though. So I need a block. So it's gonna be block. I don't call it block light, whatever. Don't even care really too much. Block. That one. Create constructor, do that one. Material.glass, whatever. This dot set unlocalized name. Light. Then we're gonna have a public static final property bool power equals property bool create power. Is that it? Cool. Easy. And then get what is it? Forgot what it was. Hold up. Let's go block. Here it is. That get meta from state, get state from meta. Don't know why it's crossed out because we got to use it. Oh, see, get state from meta. Yeah, it's the right one to use. Can't. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, whatever. Get meta from state. State. Dot get value power 1, otherwise 0. Return get default state set with property power meta so if it doesn't equal to 0 then it's true, otherwise it is false. And we have to do this dot set default state, this dot block state get base state with property power and false, because we don't want that being powered on without it even want it to be turned off by default. YouTube told me I'm sending too many messages and I was muted for a bit. Oh god. If you want to talk, go to the Discord voice server. Facebook needs to stay. Oh, I don't know. It's gone. What app is this? Light bulb app. Is it free? what is that got to do with anything? Of course, it's a mod. It's a Minecraft mod. Of course, it's gonna be free. All right. So boom, boom, boom. That's all done. We're gonna have an actual. Sorry, everything powered. Just trying to think. I think I have to do this differently. Get rid of that. Get rid of all this. We just wasted our time there. This dot set light level powered. I think it's 16. Ah, okay, whoopsie, no, it's just 1. I just think it's neater doing it like that. To me, it looks neater. Don't know if you guys agree, but I think it looks neater. And then... Oh, can't make me... This is kind of a test API app. It won't be in the final mod. No. How it's going to work, is it going to have a redstone output? No. You just simply scan for wireless lights and then you can change them. You can turn them on and off using the app. Very simple. Very simple. And I'll show you. Like, this is the whole idea behind this is to make it so like developers can read the code and see how it works and learn how the API works. So again, it's going to be like open source type thing. Open source. No source. It's not going to be closed sourced. It's going to be open source. Not closed. Just open. Boom. Yo. It's going to be open source. Raw source. No ketchup. Just open source. Alright, powered, blah blah blah, whatever. Now let's create another package. In it. New Java class, mod blocks, and then public static register. Oh, initialize. Oh no, we don't do it like that. I mean, we can do it differently actually. At event handler public void on register blocks. What is it? Registry event block. I don't know what it is. How do you do it? Hold on, let me suss my furniture mod code. Furniture mod code. Because that's got the updated way. As like, I'm not used to it. So, furniture blocks. Registry event dot register. Whoops. Event get registry register. Sometime now. Just see you again. I just dislike the way that it works now because it's very weird. Because like, okay, now you gotta use this register, right? And now what you've got to do is like, oh no, you can do like, I can do this. All right, hold up. Public static void init initialize, and then we can have public static block light off light on flip it mask light on flip it light. Wait, flip it. I will do it. Light off, flip it, light on, light. Okay, that's cringe. That was pure cringe right there. No one clipped that out. No one clipped that out at all. I'm downloading files 40 kilobytes per second. Dude, yeah, that's light speed. Oh my god. Event.registry.register. Light off, flip it, light. Mask off, flip it, mask on. Then you have like block off equals new block light false light on equals flip it true. Plus powered. Cool. Is that convention? No. But flip it. My internet only downloads at 27.5 megabytes a second. It's time to stop, Mr. Crayfish. Alright, okay, I'll stop now. I won't. I'm sorry, rip headphone users. Can we get rest in peace for headphone users out there? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And then don't even need that. I might need it. And then register, we can just do like initialize. Light off. Register. Light on. Pretty easy. Even make it private. Even make it private. And then we simply bring that back. Minecraft Forge, event bus, register, new mod, blocks. Boom. The tingles. Skia. Pa ka 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 ka. Skitty ba pa pa. Before I switched my plan, my average download speed was about 500 kilobytes per second. What the? Now that's that goes against basic human rights. That's torture. Cray, let me show you how I register. I've done it. I've done it already. New directory, assets, light, switch, block state, new, model, model, new directory, block, new directory, whoops, light switch, model, item, new directory, model, item. No. Alright, there we go. Boom. You're lucky. Cray, my way of registering is better. Show me, link me. Oh, you can't link me. Link me on Discord. Link me on Discord. Let's have a look. Hey, let me in. I'll drop the gun. I'll drop the gun. It's alright. 2G. What the fuck? Yeah, no, my internet in Australia is crap. No, everybody will be fine with slow speeds. Like, we're going into this technology future. Like, people only need 25 down at least. You know, that's only 8 megabytes. Actually, yeah, no, 25 down. 25 divided by 8. Oh no, it's 3 down. Whoops. Yeah, that's only 3 megabytes per second down. Oh no, that's 3 megabytes per second up. And then it's 8 megabytes down, you know, that's going to be enough speed for in the future. I mean, that's the base speed, but still. Alright, checkity check. Alright, hasn't posted it. you don't get that to me in 2 seconds, then I'm not gonna be using it. Alright, so we need block state. Which I'm not sure how to write. Forgot how to write them. It's gonna be called light on Jason. Thank you. Let's refactor, rename it to .json. Where's Jason? What the flip? Jason is a good dude. Jason is a good dude. Who is he? I don't know. But his name's Jason. Jason. New. It's kind of like mod week. Oh man, that would be not a bad idea. Holy crap. That'd be a dope idea. What do you guys think about this, right? For mod week. Create a new application every single day for a week. Not a bad idea if you ask me. Not a bad idea if you ask me. Create a new application every single day for a week. That would like allow us to have a ton of extra applications. That'd be cool. You guys like the idea? Post a cheese emoji. Nah, leave some feedback actually. Alright, so we need all those, and then item. I know what this is gonna be. Parent light switch light let's see, block light off, on. I think that's I don't know. I have to look into the block state. I forgot how it works. Hold up one sec. Alright, resources, assets. Let's have a look. There's something that doesn't have like a different. Alright, here we go. Light switch. Alright, there we go. Close all. Let's check out this link real quickly. Still hasn't gave me any link. And here we go. Let's have a look. Event registry to register. Yeah, it's kind of alright. It's more code. There's more code. More code, not good. More code, not good. Nah, I understand, but like we're on such a like if I was adding in more, then yeah. But because we're adding such a small amount of like things, it doesn't even matter. Um. One thing we forgot is hold up. We need to add in an item block. And we can do that here, I'm pretty sure. Private. Whoopsie. I don't know which comes first, so probably... Get your soul again. If in a return. New item. Private. What is this? I forward registry. Registry. And then we'll do block. Block. Light off. Light on. Also, why are you creating two separate blocks for the same thing? Can't do two separate blocks, especially... I have to do two separate blocks because they're different light. You can't control the light in a block. I don't think you can. Get light. Get light value. I don't know how well it works. Does it work well? If it does, then I'll create two separate... I'll just create one block. I'll do this first, get it working, and then I'll switch it around. Because I haven't overridden that method. I'm not sure if it actually works though, that's the thing. Yeah, I don't know how well it works. If you guys know that it works, let me know right now, because that would be helpful. Oh. Can't have the same, what? Whoopsie, no, unregister items. Item, block. Item dot set. I think it's just all I need to do is set the registry name. Block dot get registry name. Yeah, it's not going to be null. Alright, cool. You totally could just have a field and change it upon demand in the tick method and put the field. You could just have a field and change it upon demand in the tick method. Huh? Alright, there we go. So that's that. We've also got to... let me just copy something. I'm not going to write the code if I can just copy it. Go into here, Java, com, blocks, furniture. Looks weird, but it works. I'm talking about changing the light value in the block, like you mentioned not being able to change the light value or something. Yeah, I know you can change the light value, but I'm not sure if you can have different light values like with the same block. Like I've already got one block class and it's changing it depending on the constructor, but I don't know if you can override the get light value method inside of the actual block class and then change it, because I've never done it before. We can try it out and then we can actually just have one block with just a different meta like I had before. But then, then I gotta register meta. Registering meta is not fun. But I like the way that you did, what was that registry handler? I like the way that you did this, pretty much. And register models. Just copy, just change the homework up a little bit. Yeah, no, I just wanted to copy the template of the. Hold up, let's have okay. We just need that. Would have been exactly how I wrote it anyway. And then we're gonna do. Oh, it's gonna be a static. Yeah, it's gonna be static. Whoops. These are gonna be static. Pretty sure they do. Alright, register models. Then we're gonna have. Are you doing like both? Ah, okay. Yeah, alright. Static void register. What about the light getter? Yeah, I'm gonna look into it. I'll try it afterwards. Wait, what? That's all I need to do. Could even do this. Get rid of some code. Can literally just do whatever. I got a joke, and for the chat here, it is a joke. Yeah, I'll test out that method when we actually load it into game. Alright. So, should be Gucci. Should be Gucci. Anything important that we've missed? Now we don't have a model yet, but we can still load it up. Oh. Gen IntelliJ runs. Edit configurations. I'm just gonna bring this over here. Alright, let's run the client. Cray, why not make a register model take in varargs and iterate through the varargs, then register their models? What? Variable arguments and iterate through the variable arguments, then register their models. Because I'm not building my model for a scalable size, because I don't need to. There's only 2 blocks, or there's going to be only 1 block soon. So I don't need to build my mod for scale. So that's why I'm taking a lot of shortcuts here. If I'm building like a mod which has like 1 billion blocks in it, then yeah, I might do something a little bit different. Oh, we need to fix up 1080p here. Oh, we need to fix up 720p here. Built for purpose. Built for purpose. Did we? Oh, we didn't add in the creative tab, but we should be able to do give lights. Whoopsie, no. Hold up. Light switch. Did I do that right? Go away, Minecraft music, you suck. Fast quickly is gonna do some arguments here. Height 720. Alright, Gucci. I have not issued a warning on Discord server since October 30th. It is a record. That's good. Everybody's well behaved. Everybody's well behaved at the moment. That's good. Cray, you're lagging? No, I'm not. You're lagging. Because I haven't dropped anything. And my stream is alright. You're lagging. Turn that off. Alright, I didn't even register them. Didn't even register them. What's going on here? Did I do it in the wrong spot? Hold up. Might have done it in the wrong spot. Pre-initialization. Where do I register half of these from? Register. Where did I actually? Am I just doing it completely wrong? How do I actually... How's it work? Or did I do the wrong thing? Blocks. Oh no, whoopsie. Subscribe event. Subscribe event. Subscribe event. There we go. Gucci. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Yeah, I'm not used to it. Not used to doing this method, but there we go. I know what I'm doing wrong as well. My bad. We need like a public static class ration handler. Yeah, I haven't worked with this really, so. Did I spell that right? Alright, good. Right. So that's all the block stuff. You could also use event.getregistry.register all, but again, you're doing one block. Yeah, it'll be one block soon. If that method works in the block function, then I'm going to change it around to metadata. Then it's going to be one block, and then I don't need to do anything. Alright, and we should have... Did I not register something, or... Am I doing something wrong? Because I literally... Can't remember how it works. I'm pretty sure it's just public static class. Whatever. Make sure you have this here. Subscribe events. Yeah, I didn't even get called again either. Get rid of that. Whoops. Am I just doing something completely wrong? Am I doing something completely wrong that it's not doing anything right? Help me. Let me go ahead and check and see if Twitter is up now, because it wasn't actually showing straight at the start of the live stream. Yeah, it's up. Alright, go over to my Twitter if you guys want to get a shout out. Retweet the latest tweet to get a shout out at the end of this live stream. And if you guys are enjoying this stream so far, make sure you guys go ahead and snap that like button right in half. We definitely need it snapped in half. Oh god, we've only got like 37 minutes left. Didn't even work again. What the heck? Am I doing something wrong? It's not even calling my mod. Am I just doing something completely wrong? Mod name. Let's have a look. Oh. Well, it wasn't loading up anything because it's supposed to be required after. Whoops. So should have probably checked that way before. Simples. Don't quote me. Don't quote me. What's wrong? Get registry name on register blocks, light off. Okay. Take a stab. I think blocks get registered beforehand, so if we just do that, then it'll be fine. Break that beat back. Oh, hold up, we gotta get rid of that actually. Ching, get rid of you. I like how small like mod classes are now. I think that's unique. That doesn't even make sense. Hold on, I'm just replying to a message real quickly, guys. Oh, no, give me 2 seconds right now. Give me 2 seconds. Do you have a crash log? Send me in Discord. It's all good. I figured it out. That's called the skill of developing. I rarely go online to, I mean, sometimes. But I like most of my problems, so I can figure it out. Most of the time, give light switch. Light switch. Oh, what the? There we go. Oh my, what the flip is that? That's fine. It's fine. There's no model. There is no model for it because I haven't given it a model yet. I forgot to give it a lang. Alright, we haven't even started the application yet and we've got half an hour left. Can we do it? Let me know if we can do it. Directory lang new file en_us.lang tile.light on equals lame equals light. Yeah, let's do both. Alright, model creator. Let's get this going. It's called productive work right here. Model creator pre-5. Dang, that's pre-release. Secret release. No one gets that. Alright, light, whatever. Let's do boom. Skia. I'm not even gonna do anything crazy, guys. You guys think I'm doing like something crazy in terms of model, but no. And then we want to go base light. It's not even anything crazy. Oh god. Import. The base is gonna be anvil base. Just like that color. I like it a lot. We're actually gonna re-enable it up just in case. Then light is gonna be image import, maybe like ice packed. Apply. That kind of looks cool with the 3 dots there. Whoa, sick. File, export JSON, GitHub. Because we ain't got time to be mucking around right now. Light off. We can even do this as well. Get rid of you. Refactor. Rename. Refactor light. These just go light. Because it doesn't do anything. Only the block state again. Light. Light. Doesn't care about what's in the block, really. So model block. Alright, there we go. Boom. Easy. Gucci in the Louis store. That's what they all say. But Alright, let's test this out. What app? What am I working on? Oh, I didn't find it. Alright, hold up. What's the problem? Like, oh. It's block states. My bad. My bad. What happened to the boat game? I don't know if I'm going to be working on it or not. It's just a lot of work. I'll tell you that right now. It's a lot of work. I might continue to work on it, but it's just like, it was taking a while. It was taking a while, and I wanted to work on the API so I could actually, you know, have more features in it that people can use and myself to develop applications with. What the flippity flying flips? What is it saying? File not found. Oh, it's models. Yeah, just some stuff I forget to do. He's rebuilding the Mo. What? I think I still might order pizza. Hopefully it's still open at this time. Have a look. What time do they close? No. Ah, dang it. I have to call now, if anything. Oh no, I could probably just go out and get some. Yeah, might have to do that. Or I'll get something from the kitchen. Alright, so there we go, we got our light. Oh, cool, 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 we can place it down. Oh wow, sick. Oh wow, I bet 10 out of 10 light. Oh my god, 10 out of 10 light. That is sick. We haven't even created the application yet, but we're gonna rush this, guys. We are going to rush this seriously. So this is the, let's give ourselves the give light on. That's the light on version. That is the light off. Beautiful, if you ask me. Oh my god, the lag when placing that down. Why is it lag? Why do you lag updating the light values? Do I do that when I do a torch? Oh, it's the same with the torch as well. I thought it was just saying to do something with my light. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's get this application going. So we're going to quickly just build a quick house. We're going to build a quick house that we can actually put these lights into. Let's do it over this beautiful lake over here. Because you guys know this is a beautiful lake. It's like a river and a lake. Oh, this looks like a good spot. Alright, cool. Let's do it here. Gucci. Why did I say Gucci? I don't know. This is a time limit, guys. This is a time limit right now. Who thinks I'm going to be able to do it? Who thinks I'm going to be able to do it? I've already got code that I can copy and paste as well, which is good. I mean, not kind of some things, not the whole entire thing. I've still got a lot to write. Alright, we got 25 minutes left. 25 minutes, alright. Now I have the door there. Cool, cool, cool. This will be a door. Oh my god, cobblestone. Beautiful. And then, I don't know. Worst roof ever, 2017. Let's get that trending. Oh wow, sick. And then we're going to have a light there. Cool. Alright, awesome. Let's pop a door in. And then we're going to go ahead, we're going to pop down a block here. And then pop the laptop on it. Boom, there we go. And we should already, straight away, have our light switch app, which we've already registered. But we've got to actually add in all the components to it. So it's going to be app, what was it? app.lightswitch.lightswitch equals light switch. If anybody want to create an icon for the application, do it now and I'll use it for it. Post it in the Discord. It's got to be a 14 by 14 image. So if you need to create an icon for light switch, do it right now. Post it in the Discord. That would be helpful. Make it cool. Don't just scribble. Someone does it. I'd create this icon. Alright, that's all that. Alright, cool. Debug mode. We can continue in debug mode. Just go do it right. We're gonna have a label. Yeah, right. I'm gonna do label, we're gonna just label. That's gonna go select, I don't care. New label. Oh no, I did this wrong. Import. New label. Select light 5.5. Layout main equals new layout. 100 wide maybe. We'll fix this up later. Layout main dot add component, label select, item list, item list. We need to create like an object, package object, new class light. I'm just gonna have a private we don't even need that actually, because we're only dealing with one, so it's gonna be a block pos item list lights equals new item list. Alright, 5.5. What's going on here? What is it? Width and height. Hold up, what I'm gonna do real quickly, let me just bring up file open, device mod, new window, dialog. We're in the wrong one. We need to go into the printer branch. Oh no, we can't do that. Hold up, let me go to GitHub. We're rushing right now. What have we got? 20 minutes left. Okay, we got time. We got time. Never. Alright, let's go printer branch, and then we need to go source device, API, app, dialog, fine print. Alright, cool. I did 150 wide, which was good, apparently. 132. We're gonna make this 130 wide. How high is it gonna be? Okay, it's left and a right, sorry. Left top width. Okay. Left top 18 width, and how many items? Say 5. You can even say 6. Layout main dot add component item lights list. We're then also going to have a button toggle. Button equals new button toggle 18. Oh no, from the left 135, 140. This might be 120. That'd be 130. Top 18. Icons dot. Oh no, it's just icon. Yeah, I'm working with the old API version here. I don't have the new icons, so I did actually add in a light bulb one, but it's not. What could I use for this? Oh no. Power. Here we go. Course button switch. And then we'll do button switch. Whoopsie. We do got a user set. Oopsie, hold up. Add component button switch. We do actually got to create an object because we want to keep a track if it's on or off. Object. New Java class. Light. Private. Block pos private boolean power. Generate constructor. Generate getter and setter. Don't need one for that. Only the power. Alright, cool. You guys can hear that noise in the background. It's just the washing machine turned on. That's probably why. So I don't know. Did you get Odyssey, Cray? What? Oh, Mario. Nah, I haven't. Set current layout. Layout main. Should be able to view that. Cool. Damn, look at that. Straight off the bat, looks pretty dope. Straight off the bat, looks pretty dope, if you ask me. Let's reduce the height here. 120 maybe. 110. 108. Yeah, cool. Oh, that's good enough. Alright, cool. Now we need to populate the list, so I'm going to go ahead and where did I do it? Print a branch. Alright, cool. I had a method called get printers, which I'm copying in right now. Alright, it's going to be a list of light. And that's going to be util. Oopsie. It's going to be lights. Range, again, I'm just going to do 20. This is going to be mod blocks. They don't share a common interface. Flip. Stuff it. Alright, for now. Yeah, I should make it one block. But because of the time limit right now, we've only got a little tiny bit. Alright, so blah blah blah. Lights.add. I'm starting to like, because I need a rush, I need to write crappy code. We're gonna do pos. State.get block. Alright, cool. That's all I need for that. Return lights. Import array list. Get in, and then refactor that to get lights. We're going we're alright, we need that. Oops, what's going on here? It's gonna be light. Cool. What we're gonna do next is finish off that task, so we can now actually do that. So state. We need a boolean power. Don't even have to do that. We'll just pos new, what was this? Hold up. Block state. If private, oh god, 10 minutes. Alright, we got this. We got this. I need your guys' help. I need you guys' hype right now. Can we do this? Can we do this right now? Get some hype in the chat here. We got 10 minutes left to actually get this going. This.power equals power. We need to serialize that. Tag.set boolean power. Whoops. Power. Tag.get boolean power. The power return mod blocks dot light on, get default state, otherwise get default state. There we go, that's all we need to do. Then we need to say this dot set successful, and then we also need to do, hold up, this dot power equals we don't need to do that actually, just need to at least set it successful. light. Alright, and then we need to do, this is actually going to be button switch set enabled false. Item list light, set item click listener, new item click listener, turn that to lambda. Oh god, what is this? Oh, I don't know what it is. Oh god. Fudge. Item click listener, mouse button index. Okay. Mouse button. Ooh. If mouse button equals 0, then we'll do flip it. Get this back up here. Button switch dot set enabled true. We've got 8 minutes left. Oh god. No hype. I know, rip hype. Literally no hype in the chat. People don't even want me to do this, hey. I don't even know how many people are watching. Probably like 2 people. Yeah, what do we got right now? Peak current 54. Oh, we got 40 people watching right now, but chat isn't active. Where's my hype at? Hey. Unless the delay is that serious. So yeah, blah blah blah. And then we need to do button switch dot set click listener. New click listener. Now there is a little bit of a bug with this, but I've already figured it out. If I equals 0, it's mouse button. We have to do task manager dot send task new. We need an instance of that. Hold up. Copy that. Pop that here. Such a sketch. New task power. What's the pos gonna be? Get. Oopsie, hold up. And that dot get has get doesn't equal to -1. Light equals new equals get selected item. Get pos light dot fudge. Light dot get pos. We need to power it, so button switch. Light is power, the opposite of this, because we've already got what the current state of it is. It will be whatever the opposite is. Alright, all good. How much time we got? 5 minutes. Oh my god. Task manager dot register task power dot class. Cool. We need to do a thing here where we say on click listener, then we do button switch dot set selected based on the light dot is power. Alrighty then. Alright, let's reload this. I feel like it's gonna work. 42 people are watching, dude. Alright, do you guys believe me? Let me know if you think this is going to work right now. We're loading this up right now and can't think of anything else right now that we've got to do for this to actually work. But I feel like it's going to work. I feel like it's going to work. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we got this light on here. Cool, fancy, majestic. Should come up in the list here, which it does. Boom, power, done. There we go. Boom, test it again. Powered it off. And then let's also, what we're going to do is in light here, we're just going to do 2 string. God, light. Alright, Gucci. We gotta reload this. After you test this, can you look at the icon ideas, posts, and suggestions? Oh yeah, we're gonna do an icon. Okay, hold up. Suggestions. We need a 14 by 14 image right now. Who has the best icon? Who has the best icon? I mean, that's pretty cool. Which one's the best icon? I like these, but they're too detailed. Like how it's actually based on it. We're gonna go for this one. Let's see this one there. Where was it? Where was it? There it is. Oopsie. So hold up. Find. There should be a missing icon. Oh god, I forgot what it is. I think it's new. App. Icon. I forgot what it was. Hold up, we gotta quickly find this out. Oh, let's double check this is working. And let me get up to the top. Device mod source. Source, resources, assets, textures. Okay, it's textures. 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 New directory icon. Let's get that from Discord. Minimize. Give me that. Pop that onto there. Pop that over to here. Yes. Is that renamed right? No. Rename. Refactor. Rename. Light underscore switch. Alright, reload the game. Oh, what are we on? It's a minute. It's a minute left. Oh god, if it doesn't work, then I don't think. Okay, so I've started running it before the time is up, guys. So however it works from now is the final thing. So even if it goes after the time, if it's working from now, then we're good. Did I get the wrong one? No, I didn't get the wrong one. Ka-ching, ka-ching, boom. Yes. I am a beast. I am a beast, guys. Dang, we did it. We actually did it on the minute. Dang, that's crazy. Alright, so just to prove that, you know, that this all works and everything. So, hop out of here. Alright, so there's the light off, right? Go into here. Go into light switch. Click on that light. It's not highlighted because... Okay, so when we click this, see how that's actually staying on now? It is lit. It is lit right here, guys. It is actual lit. And then we can go ahead, we can go back into there. Click on that, turns it off. Boom. Woo! That's how you program a mod super duper quick. The shortcuts I took, you know... I mean, it wasn't a lot of shortcuts, but I would say that, I don't know, did I even need that? Oh no, yeah, that's one thing we forgot. Okay, it works, but we forgot one thing that we've got to do here, and that was to actually do this, right? So task here, task power, task equals new task power. Do that, and then task.set callback, new callback. Don't really care too much. This is success. I mean, if success, whatever. Then go light.set power. Light.get power is power. That's all I had to do. So there we go. And now, just so we can actually have multiple lights. Now the only problem is that there's no identification for them. So let's just go give whoopsie, hold on, light switch off. Alright, let's place a bunch around here, right? You'll see, it will come up in the list and everything. But we'll turn all these lights on around us, which will be interesting. Hopefully that's 20 blocks. But you'll see now in the actual app here, we have like a ton of these. So one of those lights came on. I could even do this. I know we finished, like, we got it working at the end, right? We got it working at the end. We can do actually button switch dot set icon dot power. Alright, we can do this. If it's power, right? Power on. Otherwise, icon dot power off. And we'll do that, and then we can also do here button switch dot set icon. That. And that makes it again a bit easier to identify. Let's bring this out here as well so you can see it actually changing. Here, what I can do, this is something even more special. Alright, here we go. We can go open to LAN. Oh, this might not work actually. We'll see. Do that. Actually, let's restart this again. Run 2 clients here. Cray, do a select all button. Selecting all an item list yet. You should make it when you rename a light, it corresponds to the app. Yeah, that can work. I mean, like, this is the thing, right? Literally developed this within 2 hours and got a working version within 2 hours. Like, there's so much more you can add on to this now. Like, actually name a light, you know? So you could actually, you know, rename it to, like, hey, bedroom light. So it's a lot easier to, you know, figure out which light you're turning on and off. Let's see if this works. Please let me join. Yes! I like it. Where did I go? I went over this new... Okay, here we go. Alright, so let's see if I can get one of these to come up. Alright, cool. Just because I want to show you guys, like, this working properly. A better view, I should say. So we do that, right? Oopsie, hold up. We need to do something special here. Whoops. Do something special here. Think that. Alright, there we go. Then we're going to go to this one, right? Hey, look at me. This is me. Oh, God. What the flip? Alright. So we can do something like this, right? Place that down. Whoops. Auto jump, get off. No one likes you auto jump. Seriously, go away. Pop that down, open that up. Show all apps. You guys can't see this, but should now be able to like boop. You guys can't see this, but boop, 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 boop. And then I've also the icon as well is changing, and you guys can't see it, but now it's actually got a red icon. There's one that's, oh no, here we go. Damn, that is sick. That is sick. What do you guys think of that? Why do you guys think of that? Do you think that's cool? I mean, such a simple app. That's what I'm saying, like literally. So yeah, there's a couple of optimizations I can do. Is changing it to like a metadata block. Ugh. Brighten or dimmer light. That's not bad actually. Because you can get... I know you... Oh no, that will work actually. That will work. Oh crap. Because I can have a block state right with a light level on it. And if I can override the method in the block class for get light value, then I can return it based on the block, the metadata, which would be cool. Alright. Get light. Oh no, it actually even gives you... Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm just going to stop both of these. We're going to do hashtag overtime livestream, guys. Overtime livestream. Can we get some hashtag overtime livestream in the chat right now? I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for you guys because I actually want to play around with this and get it working. So we're actually going to do a public static... actually, what we're going to do first is we're going to copy this just in case because I can't revert it quite easily. Actually, what we'll do is not even do that. Commit this thing. Created. I don't know, let's call it I made. First initial application. I created this first initial. I don't know what to call this. Let's call it first progress of application. First stages. Because it was the first stage. Alright, boom, there we go. Hashtag overtime livestream, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get light value. We're gonna have a public static final property. Property integer light level. I'm gonna add in support for it. Oh god, what's going on here? There we go. Light level min max. And then we have to do a create. Whoopsie, no, let's do that. create block state, new this light level. Problem with using this is we're going to be in our block state, we're just going to be doing the same thing over and over again. You'll see. And then that we don't need. This is just going to be light, get rid of that, get rid of that. It's just literally going to be one block now, which is nice. Get light value, and then we're simply just going to do state get value light level. Pretty damn simple if you ask me. Could use a slider within the app too. Damn, that's not a bad idea. That is not a bad idea, my friend. That is not a bad idea. Let's do that. Let's do that. I think that's going to be a good way to do it. Dim the light. What is actually... We're actually going to do get light value plus 1. Actually. No. We'll do that. We'll handle that differently in the application. Alright, light level. And then in our block state, get rid of this. Models now, item. Only need 1. Oops. And then this is going to be light now. That's really nice that we've only got 1 now. Block light. Oh no, hold up. Initialize mod blocks. Watch this. Get rid of this. Boom, 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 boom. Only need that. Register. Easy as flippin' heck. Don't even need this anymore, but I'm just gonna leave it in, because like you only do like another method in case you got a mod for scale, like if you're building your mod scalable, whereas this is literally only going to be 1 block and only ever 1 block, so it's not going to have more blocks in the future. So really we could just put that like here, change it to light, same with that, because we're not building for scale, we're building for 1 block only. And then same goes for here as well, register the item block. Seriously, we could just hate me, love me, I'm doing it. Get rid of that. Hello, Crayfish. Welcome. Alright, so we've done that. We need to fix the block state, so we're gonna have like is it possible, or do I need to like actually, yeah, we'll see what happens when we load this up. What we're gonna do now is, instead of here, right, we have power. We need another task. We need another task, because this just turns it on, right? So what we're gonna do is what we can do is I block state equals world.getBlockState pos. Do a bit of safety checking here. State.get block instance of block light. If it is, we can do state dot set. Oh no, we have to do world dot set block state pos state with property block light level nbt tag dot tag dot get this power. We're gonna do 15, otherwise 0. So when you turn it on, it's going to go straight to 15. We're going to be able to adjust it later on with the slider, but when you actually turn it off and turn it on, it resets to the brightest value. Resets to the brightest value. Alright, that's that. And then we need another task. Whoops. Copy. Task. Light. Level. Oh, we could even get rid of the other one. We don't need that, actually. Int level. Int level. Alright, do that. Same thing, but instead here we do tag.get integer level. We might also do some safety checking here. Math.max 0 math.max min 15 so it will force it to go within the 0 to 15 range. If it's outside of it, then, you know, get out of here. So safety checking on those. In Java, I never know about the N. Oh yeah, that's like a, I forgot what it's called. It's not called an inline if statement. What's it called? It's called a ternary operator. Ternary operator. Am I saying that right? Ternary. But it's useful. It's very useful. Alright, that's all Gucci. So we can set the level of it now. So technically, we don't even need this task power anymore. Because like we can just control the levels, and if we set it to 0, it means it's off. and then back in application light switch here, we'll do task light level. Task light level. We want to power on, so we can say if light is power, so if it is powered already, then we'll do 0, otherwise 15. Actually, we'll do it around the opposite way. Logically, to me, makes more sense. So if it's off, make it 15. I feel like off is the kind of starting spot. And then we say, set power the opposite way. Yep, that's correct. Alright, application, what's wrong here? Fix the imports. Instance of light block. Obviously block light, and then is it powered? State dot get value light. Obviously light block light is more than 0. Oopsie. Boom, easy. And then that slider, where can we put that slider that is not gonna look weird? Guess we have to put the slider at the bottom of it. Alright, so let's try this out now. It should work exactly the same. I hope. I think we're gonna have a model on it. Here we go, problem. Task light level. It should work exactly the same. We're gonna have a problem with the block states here. Let's have a look what the error is gonna spit out at us. Spit out me an error, please. Alright, there we go. Get meta from state. Okay, whoops. We've got to override that. Get meta from state. Get state from meta. State return state dot get. Return with property meta. Boom. And I think in here we actually need to do I don't know how that works. Is there going to be a sort of dimmer for the light? Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now, adding support for light levels. It's got support for it, but I haven't added in the slider yet. And we'll do it in the 2-player thing as well, so you can see the actual light going up and down. Are you going to do device mod tut saving and loading? Oh yeah, I want to do stuff about that, because there's a lot of ways to actually save and load types of stuff. Alright, let's have a look. Alright, well we gotta get a new light, so give yeah. Told you it's gonna be a problem. Light level 3. I think it's light. How does it work again? Hold on, give me 2 seconds, guys. GitHub. Alright, easy. Light level equals 0. Then we return a model. Like that. Now the problem is we just gotta like duplicate this. I don't know if it's possible to do like, you know, I suppose 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ah! So that's basically what we're gonna do. Not nice, but that's how it works. Alright, let's test this out. Let's have a look at chat here. Ooh, what are you guys saying? What are you guys saying? I don't even know what you're talking about. Overtime! I know, it's crazy. Overtime, literally. This is a good part of the song. Alright, now we've got that light. We need to fix up the lang. Fix up the lang file. Get rid of this. We should be able to refresh. Alright, cool, it's working. So lights are there. Should be able to go into the app. Should still work as normally. Yep. I'm pretty confident with that. Pretty confident with that if you ask me. And then we have to add in that slider now. Let's go ahead and commit that. Convert. Added support for light levels. Hold up. Slight issue. Classes. Alright, there we go. No! Go away, classes. Hold up. This should be it. No! What did we do? Why is that like that? Let's go discard on the classes ones. Whoops. Fudge! Oh no, there we go. Whew. Add support for light levels. Alright, Gucci. Let's quickly rebuild just to make sure that I didn't do anything wrong. Alright, cool. No! The fudge! Get out of here. Why classes? Alright, there we go. There we go. Are you going to add light from the laptop itself when someone's inside? Oh, that might be cool. That's a cool idea. Alright, so next thing is to add a slider. Slider. It's new slider. 5 from the left. How? I don't know how far it's going to go down, so we're going to guess width. We're going to make the same width as the item list. Add component, slider. Slider. Light level. And then we need to do slider light level, set slide listener. And then our value is going to be 14. Oh, oopsie. Int level equals. I'm going to cast 14 times V. Do that plus 1.0f. Oopsie, plus 1. Because basically we don't want to make it so you can turn it off. You can dim it to the lowest, but it won't be off. You can only turn it off through the button. And then we simply do this. Send task that. We're gonna make sure as well. No, copy that. I'm gonna put that up the top here. If doesn't equal to -1, then we can do light equals pos. Then we do level. Alright, I might need to adjust that, but should work. We're also going to do we need to in the light here as well. Light private int level. And then here what we're going to do is change that to int level power This is still going to be more than 0. This dot level equals level. Get level. Cool. So just that now. Then we do light set. Whoops. Set level. Level. We're gonna do it so when we click on the item, we're gonna do slider.set percentage what will it be? Do light dot if not powered we'll do 0f. Hold up. Otherwise do light dot get level take 1 divided by 14f. Alright, cool. I don't think Slider has support for enable and disabled, but this should work. It's loaded up now. Who thinks this is gonna work? Do you intend on allowing the model to render against the wall too, rather than just on roofs? I didn't think that far ahead, dude. I didn't think that far ahead. Literally just came up with this idea today, and we're just literally... what's wrong here? Is everything alright? Cannot find symbol light level. Alright, there we go. Don't know what was going on there. Cray, I gotta sleep. Why the hell are you keeping me up? I'm sorry, Alex. Good night, dude. I ain't saying whatever that is. Probably offensive. Oh, it's a good song. Dude, you guys are getting overtime live streams. This is a treat for you guys. This is a treat for you guys. Okay. Kind of. Kind of. I noticed we have an issue with my scissor. Huh. It's cropping it too quickly. Oh. So I took you down just like a pill. Take you like a pill. Alright, increase the height by 10. Move the slider down. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's cool. Oh, we need to fix that up actually. Slider dot set percentage light dot is power. Uh, 1F, otherwise 0F. Whoops. Ow. What crashed? Apparently it crashed there. Not sure why. Oh, what the? Get out of here. Crayfish, what do you think of Cubic Studio? Yeah, no, it's a good alternative. Like, there's perks and I don't know. I mean, use it if you want it. I honestly don't even care which model creator you use. Like, you know, if you want to use mine, use it. Use whatever you want to use. I personally use mine because, well, I mean, I created it, but it works for my workflow. I know how to use it. I made the program, so I know how to use it very, very efficiently and get the same kind of result that a paid program would do. Alright, so what we're going to do is test this out now. Time set. Game rule. False. Do that. Load up another instance of Minecraft here. Who said I'm going to bed? And Blockbench, yeah, I like Blockbench because it uses Electron, and that is something that I wanted to actually do with my model creator, is use Electron. However, I'm not like... It's because, like, I don't know, it's difficult. I don't know, I've got to look into it. I wanted to do it. Like, I've experimented with it, basically. But yeah, I like Blockbench. It's another free alternative, but there's things like I don't like about it. Alright. Oops, I wasn't supposed to do that. Cha-ching. Might kick me. No, it's not. Alright, cool. What the fudge? Okay. Alright, we'll ignore that. So we're going to have this here, right? Come on, there we go. Cool. We're going to have that like that, alright? Oopsie, hold up. Alright, here we go. Hello. Alright, let's get rid of some of these lights here, just so we're not confused. Like about which one we're loading up here. So, should be able to flick it on, should be able to turn it off. Oh, that dandy. Should be able to now Oh, wow. No way. Whoa, disco. Woo. That's cool. The really low light level you can't see, but maybe that's because just because I've got this down. Don't know. There's definitely light level, it's just very dim. It's so easy. So easy to do this. Alright, so that's all cool. Smart homes in Minecraft? Yeah, exactly. Minecraft has overtaken the reality. It actually is. Who has an application on their computer that can control all their lights? I mean, it's possible. Cray, I want to send you a screenshot of a guy asking for Java help in a Minecraft modding server I admin. You're gonna get a kick out of it. Alright, do it. Screenshots hasn't even been screenshots. What the flip is this? Oh my god. I'm so scared something's gonna pop up. But what do you guys think? Rate this out of 10 right now what you think it is. Is this sick? I think it's sick. It's so simple, but it's like, I need this. I need this in my life, you know? I need this in my life. It's pretty cool if you ask me. You need to upload a GIF of the brightening and dimming on Twitter. I don't know how to do it. I'm not gonna be honest. I mean, I'd probably find a way to do it, but like, I don't know any like real good process of recording a video, right? Converting it to a GIF. What's the best process for that? Because I haven't found like anything that can like really do it that easily. $10 out of 10, 1 million out of 10, 9 out of 10 could be a little bit more realistic. How? We're gonna add, I don't know how long. We're going way over time, but I wonder how quickly I could implement this. Insane if I got this done like right now. Basically, I can get it done. Alright, hold up. Let's do this. Let's give them names. Let's give them names right now. Alright, hold up. Why does it give me the classes? Why? No one cares about you classes folder. Why? I do not care about you. Unless it's getting rid of them, but it's not. It's still giving additions to it. Go away, classes. You suck. I think I have to... Oh, see, hold on. No, cancel. Alright, removed. There we go. Alright, hold on. Implemented. Commit it. I'm removing that classes package, hopefully. You forgot to switch the scene. Ah, flip. Sorry. Alright, let's do this. Boom, 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 nope. Boom, boom. Package, tile entity. New. Java class, tile entity, light. Alright, Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Copy this. Call that light. Alright, Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. That's all that we need for that. We need to go into block light, implements tile entity provider. Okay, return new tile entity light. In light switch. Game registry dot register tile entity light oops class. Is that right? Yep. And then reference mod ID light, and then we need inside of block printer we need to add in this so it actually updates it, and then on block placed by whatever, put it there. Boom. It's gonna be tile entity light. It's gonna be reference mod ID plus light. We forgot one thing. Oh no, we didn't. My bad. Say that. Should be able to rename it, should be able to place it down. Should have its name. Should. Yep. Does that get called anywhere? No. It's all good. Oh, that's one thing we didn't add. We didn't add support in the printer when we pick it up to add the name to it. I have to fix that up. Alright, all good. Yeah, no, I definitely don't have support for that. Alright, let's go to register it. We need one more thing in here. Light. String name. This dot name equals name. Get name. Bada bing, bada boom. I am now Corrales. Bada bing, bada boom. What would the Christmas mod have? A Christmas tree, some decorations. Why not just do that in the furniture mod? This live stream is so long. Do you want to keep watching? Yes, yes, yes. This stream started to remind me of the Transformers movie. Went on much longer than it should have. I don't think I ever watched that one. And then boom, down here we simply just do tile entity light. Oopsie, hold up, tile entity. After here, I have to do tile entity equals world.get tile entity pos if tile entity instance of tile entity. Where's my light? Light equals new. Oopsie. T light. Alright, boom, boom. Whoa, no. Boom. T light get name. Ka-ching. That was pretty easy if you ask me. Where's pos come from? Ah, it comes from that. Alright, get rid of those. So basically we should have added support there for names now. So when we actually... Oh no, hold up. No, it's not going to work. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Name. Because it uses toString method. The stream is like a Trump presidency going on longer than it should be. No, that was true. Alright. Who thinks it's going to work first shot? Who thinks it's going to work first shot? Place your bets. And if you lose, you lose. Alright. So we should be able to get one of these, right? Get an anvil. I like using anvils. I like utilizing Minecraft's features already. I think it's good. I would just say bedroom as an example. Bedroom. Plonk. And then let's go on to here. Boom. That's sick. So we should be able to actually control these now. So let's do like another one inside of here, right? Call this house. Pop this into here. Alright. Should be able to go on here now. Boom. There we go. Have a look at that. You know, I'm going to turn the one on the house. I'm going to set the... It ruined what I was about to do. What happened? Oh. If... Empty string not allowed. How? How? How is that empty? How is it empty? It's impossible for it to be empty. Because it has a default value of light. Huh. Maybe just make that equal light. Yes. I don't know how that worked. How was that empty? Oh, I know what it was wrong. Set block state. Alright, hold up. We've got to do a thing in here called should. Oh, it's like. Hold up, it's block furnace uses it. Because like, you know how a block furnace is actually 2 different blocks. So there should be like a thing where it's like keep it. Keep inventory. I can't wait. Oh my god. Jesus.
A donation because you went overtime and implemented by brightness and dimming idea. Love it.
Cheers, King Yoshi, for the donation there. Yeah, dude. Overtime. I did it for you guys. I did it for you guys. Thank you guys, everybody. Hashtag overtime live stream. Hashtag overtime live stream. If you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right in half. And as well, if you want to get a shout out, make sure you go over to my Twitter. Profile link is in the description below. And retweet the latest tweet to get a shout out at the end of this live stream today. There is like a method somewhere where it's like tile entity furnace. Where it's like keep it. Let's just have a look for. Alright, here we go. I knew there was something. Should refresh. Old state dot get block doesn't equal to new get block. What the heck? That's the only time it should refresh. Alright, that should fix that problem up. Let's test that up. Let's try that again, because I was about to do like a little bit of a skit. Not really, but I was going to make it funny. That donation sound was loud, I know. That's why it scared me. Rip headphone users right now. Ripperoni headphone users. Rest in pepperoni headphone users. That's what I like to say. Get away, what the flip, there's a flipping bug. Ugh. Almost got it. The bug lives to see another day. Nat? Alright, show apps. Boom. Bedroom. Oh no, yeah, something glitched up on one of these. Hold up. It's because when it was saving it, it didn't save it. Oh no, it is named house. What the? Eek. See if it works this time. Power. It's on. Alright, I'm gonna set the mood now. I'm gonna set the mood. Ooh. Ooh. Let's turn that down a little bit. Ooh. Ooh, I love that light level. Oh yeah. That light level's good. Let's pull it down to there. Oh yeah. That's a good light level. Just very, very dim. All the way up. Hehehehe. And then what do we got? Bedroom over here. Turn that on. Ah, too bright. What the flip? Turn that down. So easily can tell what one you're adjusting right now. That is so good. What do you guys think of that? What do you guys think of that right now? Give me a rating in the chat. I need everybody watching the live stream right now to give a rating. So go to the chat right now, put it out of 10 because this is crazy. This is crazy. I love it. I love it. Alright. Added support. Added. To rename lights. Ka-ching. Turn those lights off. No, no, no. Oh, okay, hold up. I'm gonna do that. I'll do it properly. No, no, no. Turn those lights down. Turn those lights off. One million out of one. Not a number out of 10. One, I don't know that. 60 out of 10, 5 out of 10. It's not very realistic. Maybe you can make it more like the 1800s. So just candles. You want candles? Just scrap. 1 out of 10, scrap the mod. No colored lights, can't do that, dude. Be my guest at programming colored lights. I mean, it's possible, but it's not easy. Ah, I did it spectator mode. Whoops. That's why I was like, what the heck is going on? Ready? Hold up. We'll do that. Come on. You're just like, alright. Trump, ready? Trump's just like, yeah. And then we do like... No, no, no! Turn those lights down! Turn those lights down! Thank you. Thank you. Ah! Damn lights. Damn skeleton! You guys can't see it, there's a skeleton here. Oh, rip. Oh, there we go. But yeah, that's all I can think of. If you guys give me the repo and I'll add colored lights, you're not gonna be able to do it, dude. You have to edit. You have to edit vanilla code or hook into it, which is not easy. There's no easy way to do it, dude. If it was that easy, there'd be a mod out there that would have easily done it. I mean, I'll publish the repo. Go ahead and try and add it yourself. That actually has colored lights. You should make it so if you get off the laptop and go back into it, it continues where you left off. Yeah, I can add support for that, because that would be basically like restoring the state of the laptop, which is possible. So I'll look into it actually. I'll write that down, because it is possible. I know it's possible. It's just really up to if applications will support it and that type of stuff. So I'll write that down right now, because that would be useful. Alright, I've wrote it down. I've taken note. Also, another feature to add is to pay my medical bills. Oh god. Fairy lights mod had colored lights. They weren't colored lights. They're like any color lights you want, but the light that it gives off isn't colored. It's literally, you just have blue light, but it still just gives off whatever light you want. Control multiple lights at once. Can you guys see that? Hold up. I don't think you guys have seen this part. If I do this, I just turn that off. Yeah, here. So like, we got like the little button here, which goes green when it's on, and red when it's off. Eat, 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 eat. There's like a weird glitch with the slider. I don't know what it is. But that is pretty cool if you ask me. That is pretty cool if you ask me. I think Reddit would love that. Reddit would love this. Tell you that right now. I'll have to create some dope GIF or video. But yeah, I think that's going to end off this live stream today, guys. Hopefully you have enjoyed. I definitely have. We did a hashtag overtime live stream. But what I'm going to do now is start doing some shout outs right now. So we've got a couple of people that quoted. I suggest you don't quote the retweet, because it doesn't come up in the retweet list. But we got Alex Boss 157, Commandville. What else have we got? Alright, let's go into the actual list. We got 27 retweets. Dang. Flappy Chicken Gaming, Guy Twig, Thomas, Regarcus, I don't know how to say it, Rebel71, Ruben, Austin TV, King Yoshi, Darshan, Pladesai, The Gaming Husky MC, Tyrell, Samuel O Sharp, Dark Killer XL, Alex Boss 157, already said your name, Dominic Corsa, Human Computer, Just Tim, it's Just Tim, the Dr. Link, Commandville again, already said your name, Redstone Pixels, Marik Josephek, Will M380, Rainbow Kappa, Gaming with PJ, Jaw02, and Dom Games YT. Thank you guys for all your support on this live stream today, and thank you for retweeting that and over on Twitter, and thank you for King Yoshi for donating today. That means a lot. Even though it was like I don't know what it was, like $1 or something, but like that. But I appreciate it. I appreciate it, dude. So thank you so much for that. But there we go, guys. That's gonna end off this live stream today. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Bye.